This video will go over how to plot 3 locations on the map and create 25-mile radiuses around those sites, see where they overlap, and create territories of those sites. So the first thing I can do, I can plot a location by an address in the address bar, or I can use my draw tools to manually place them on the map. So if I wanted to, I could put one over, let's put it in Mesa. I could just drop the point there. When I do that, it'll ask what I want to put for a name. I'll just put Mesa location. And let's do another one. I'll drop another point. And like I said, you can do this by address or just dropping it in the middle of the map. So I'll name this one Phoenix location. And then let's do one up in Sunwest City. Okay, so now that I have my 3 points on the map, I can create the radiuses. So I can click on this Mesa location, click on that pin. I can do it either by drive time or circle, and I can do 25-mile radius and add that to the map. It's going to be pretty big. I can do Phoenix, click on that, click the circle radius, do 25 for that as well. Maybe I'll make that a different color. And then I can do Sunwest City and create a 25-mile radius, and I'll make that black. So now we have our overlapping radiuses. And what you can do if you want to create a territory is you could enable this zip code layer. And I can click on this little settings gear to get into manage map and data at the zip code level, and I can make those transparent if I wanted to see through them. So to create a territory, I can first grab this radius and click search and tell it I'm going to search by the zip code layers because I'm going to make a zip code territory. I'll call that Mesa territory. And so it's going to grab any of those zip codes that line touches or is a part of. You will see if it's barely touching a zip code, then you can manually remove them. So I could click on one, click on that zip code, click continue, and there's a little blue puzzle piece, and I can choose to remove that from my territory. Now, if you do something like this in the Phoenix area, there's gonna be a ton of overlap. So I don't know if creating territories is exactly what you want to do, but I'm gonna show you anyway. The next, I can click on my black one for Sunwest City, click search, zip codes, Sunwest City territory. And finally, I can click on my blue, search, zip codes, now I have my Phoenix territory. So you can see there's a dramatic amount of overlap here. And if I do want to see areas that overlap, I can click on my territories line now. I can click on the settings gear for manage map and data, and there's an intersections line. We have it on by default to allow them to intersect, and if they do intersect, we can actually make them stand out with another color so that we can see that all of those red areas are overlapping areas. So you can choose to check that or uncheck that. It's up to you. If you ever wanted to show just one territory at a time, we could go up to the data window, and we could go from the pull-down list. We can choose territories, and we can type in a name. So I could just do Sunwest City territory and click enter on my keyboard. All the other ones go away in the data window, and then when I click this filter button, then I'm just left with what's in that Sunwest City territory. So that's a way that you can isolate them. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks and have a great day.